3 linear equations in one variable. Solve and check the results. We have to solve as well as we will check it out the result also, whether our answer is correct or not. So very first question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now on both sides of equality we are having the expression, that is x is there on left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So first thing that you have to keep it in your mind, that the term of x, the variable term, the variable should be always on the left hand side and the constants should be always on the right hand side. So this thing you have to keep it in your mind. The variable will be always there on the left hand side. Let us solve it. First of all, we will transpose this term of x to the left hand side. 3x is already there, so we will write 3x as it is. 2x is positive on the right side. When we will transpose it to the left hand side, it will become negative. Minus 2x is equal to 18. Now, do the subtraction. 3x minus 2x, that comes out to be x is equal to 18. So, this is the solution. Let us check the result also. How to check it out? First of all, we will put the value in left hand side. Left hand side is 3x, that is 3 into 18, 54. Let us check it out for right hand side as well. Right hand side is 2x plus 18, 2 into 18 plus 18, 2 into 18, that is 36 plus 18, that is again 54. So we will see left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means the result is checked. So our answer is correct. Second question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Again here we are having t term on both the sides and constants on both the sides. So what we will do? We will transpose t to left hand side. It will become 5t as it is minus 3t as it is positive here. When we will transpose it to the left hand side, it will become negative. And minus 3 will be transposed to right side, equal to minus 5 as it is. Minus 3 will transpose to right side, it will become plus 3. 5t minus 3t, it will become 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2, because in front of bigger number we have negative sign. Now we will cross multiply. T will be equal to minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So t is minus 1. So let us check the result again. Check. For checking, we will put the values in the left hand side. 5t minus 3. 5 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into minus 1, minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. So let us check in right hand side as well. 3t minus 5. 3 into minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 3 minus 5. Again it comes out to be minus 8. So we will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the result is checked, that our result is correct. Let us move to the next question. In this question, I will not check the result. You will check the result yourself. So first of all, we will transpose the x term to the left hand side. So it will become minus 3x is equal to 5. Now 9 is a constant number. We will transpose it to right side. 5 minus 9. So 5x minus 3x, that is 2x is equal to minus 4. Or x comes out to be minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Next question is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Again the same way you will transpose 2z to left side and 3 to right side. So it will become 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. Or 2z is equal to 3 or z is equal to 3 by 2 by just dividing it. Next is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So we will transpose minus x to left, so it will become plus x. 14 minus 1 to right, plus 1. It will become 3x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 15 by 3, that is 5. So x comes out to be 5. You can check the result by putting the value in left hand side as well as in the right side and check it out. Next question is sixth question. In this question we have 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. First of all we will open the bracket here. It will be 3x minus 3 plus 7. So on left hand side we have 8x plus 4. Now let us transpose the numbers. 8x, 3x will come to next side. 8x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. 4 will be transposed to right side. So it will become 5x is equal to 7 minus 7, that is 0. So x will be 0 by 5 or x is equal to 0. Next is x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Now we will first cross multiply this 5 to left side. It will become 5x is equal to, and we will open the bracket. It will become 4x plus 40. Now transpose the x term to left side. 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. It will become x is equal to 40. Very easy step. The very first step is you have to cross multiply 5 with x first. Next is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So first of all what we have to do, we will transpose this number to left side. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3. 1 will be transposed to right side. Let us take the LCM. LCM will be 15. So here it will come 10x minus 7x is equal to 2. 10x minus 7x, that is 3x by 15 is equal to 2. Now we will just cross multiply. This will be going up and this will be going down. So x will be 2 into 15 by 3. 3 will be cancelled out with 5. 3 5s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So x will come out to be 10 here. Next is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. First of all let us collect the terms of y. 2y plus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So it will become 3y is equal to 26 minus 5 by 3. These are like fractions, so we will subtract it. 21 by 3, that comes out to be 7. So y will be 7 by 3. You can check the result by putting the values in left hand side as well as in the right hand side. Last question is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So it will become 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. You will do subtraction and then cross multiply. M will be minus 8 by 5 into 1 by minus 2. Now do the cancellation. 2 4s are 8. Negative will cancel out with negative. So M will come out to be 4 by 5. So I will do the checking part of this question also. Okay, let us check it out. Left hand side. First of all 3m. 3 into 4 by 5. That is 12 by 5. So right hand side is 5m minus 8 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. It will become 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. These are like fractions. You will do subtraction. 20 minus 8 by 5, that is 12 by 5. So both the sides are same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means the result is checked.